talk about the body language and smile. So I know I love to smile, and I think it just makes the eye contact and the smile, right? You know somebody else is smiling. If you hear somebody is laughing, if you go by somebody as a group, sometimes you just start laughing because you see happiness or you see something, right? So it's just you're mirroring it a little bit. But how important is this the rest of your body language?
Right. So the way I see it, going back to the analogy I gave Sana, is that body language for me is ball 15, not ball 1 or ball 3 or ball 5. And the reason is because a lot of us don't really make that many mistakes with body language, except with our face. Yeah. So the biggest mistake I see with body language is not about the hands or the movements and the hand gestures. The biggest mistake by far is not smiling during a conversation when you're listening to someone. So most of us, when we're listening to somebody else speak, we usually look at them and not smile and nod our head. Yeah. So we look really weird from the other person's perspective. So the advice is just smile a bit more.
Thanks for listening to this episode of Mind Innovation Podcast. New episodes are dropping bi-weekly, so make sure you're following wherever you get your podcast. You can find me on LinkedIn, search for Sana Winding. You can also find me on YouTube, search for Mind Innovation, or go to my website, sanawinding.com or mindinnovation.com. Stay curious, keep learning.